Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can check whether a related product exists or not. So first of all, let me go to front end. I will go to my product information management, and here I can simply go to my release product. I'll wait for my table to get loaded. Alright, so my release product form is open. So now when you will click here and inside your product, you go to setup and you go to related products. So when you click on related products, so you see currently this product doesn't have any related product. So let me open a related product for that. So let me say this product this is Surface Pro, right? So let me say this adult helmet accessories. This is going to be a related product for this. I can say this as frequently bought together, and I will save this. Okay, and now I want to check whether for this item the related product exists or not. So how to write code for that? So I will create a runnable class first. I'll go here and I will go to runnable class. I will simply add. Alright, so now the first thing that we need to understand is that this information will be available in our event table, right? So I can define my event table first. Alright, and then there is one more table that you should know, EcoResProduct. Let me write EcoResProduct. So let me tell you what is the relation between these two tables. So from let me open this. I will open this particular table, EcoResProduct, and let me go to definition here. Go to relation. Oh no, sorry, the relation is available in event table. So I will go to event table. I will go to its definition. Here I will simply go for my EcoResProduct, this one. So the product and rec ID relation. So from my event table I have product, and from my EcoResProduct I have rec ID. Okay, so it simply means, so I'll be hard coding my item ID as 100. Let me again check. Yeah, it's not 100, it's 1000. So here I can simply write, select EcoResProduct, this one, and I'm simply going to join this table with my event table. And how I'm going to join, because my event table dot product is equals to EcoResProduct dot rec ID. Okay, all right. And now, since this will relate each and every item ID, but for now I'm only interested in that Surface Pro item, and its item ID is 1000. So I will write here event table dot item ID equals to that is going to be string value here, so I can simply say 1000. All right, so now I will get my data inside my EcoResProduct. Okay, and then the second concept that we should know is, let me go here and let me go to related product. So here we have this table, EcoResProductRelation table. So when you go to, let me go here and let me go to form name here, you see this data source, EcoResProductRelation table. Okay, so I'm going to define my EcoResProductRelation table. Let's say EcoResProductRelation table, And now I will open this table. Let me go to definition and let me expand the relation. Alright, so here you see it have relation with EcoResProduct ID, and from here it could be anyone like product 1 or product 2. So what I will do, I will simply write code like this. I can say here select, I'll pick all values, okay, or let me simply put this only EcoRes product and relation table. I can say where my EcoRes product relation table dot product 1 equals to that is from EcoRes product. I will get rec ID, or either I can put or here and I will write it down EcoRes product relation table. Here's my table, and then I can simply use this product 2 from here equals to EcoRes product, and I can simply say rec ID here. Alright, so here we have simply now we'll simply get buffer here. Okay, then we can check it further if my this EcoRes, if my EcoRes product relation table dot rec ID, and I can open my parenthesis here, and then I can simply paste. So what I can say, let me put if else as well here. So first of all I will write the else statement. So if we don't have the record here, so it simply means I can just put an info statement here, and I can say no related product exist. Alright, and now here I can simply use my info strfmt, and here I can specify so what I will say related product is, there could be multiple as well, but for now we'll assume we only have one. There could be number of case for everything, but we'll use the one which is helpful for us. So now let me go back to this table first, and when you go to definition here, let me open the table browser. Okay, I'm in that. Okay, I think this table doesn't depend upon company, but still I will go to USMF then also. Alright, so here you see the product 1 and product 2. Okay, and from here you can get the information, but if you will go here, go to fields, you will see this product, they are the integer rec IDs. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to use a function. So to get this, I can use this function. I will say EcoResProduct related relation table. So there is a function that can convert this like the product rec IDs to their specific name. So I'm going to use this function, and I will simply save this. Okay, and let me do a build, and then we'll test this. Alright, so I've just run my runnable class, and you can see we are easily getting the related product, that is adult helmet accessory combo set. So what I will do now, I will go to again related products, and this time I'm going to delete this record, and then we'll again test whether now it should give us this particular like no related product exists. So we'll simply test this. Okay, this is also working, and now we'll again add a different product here. Let me say this time I'm going to add this premium mountain bike, and I will set this as retail history, and I will again run my renewal class and we'll check the output. Yep, it's working fine. So let me reiterate. So the main logic here was that from our event table that relates with our EcoResProduct using product and rec ID, and then EcoResProductRelation table, it actually relates with our EcoResProduct. From EcoResProduct, you can get rec ID, and from your EcoResProductRelation table, you have product 1 and product 2. Okay, so you simply relate them. And if you are getting buffer here, it simply means there is at least one related product. Okay, if in case you will not get the buffer, it simply means you don't have any related products available here. Now, there could be a number of scenarios. You could have multiple product. So in that case, if you want, you can use a first select if you like first only if you want to get the first record. If in case multiple, then we can go with a different approach. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.